Hi guys, welcome back to Car Crackers and another episode of the perfect car to drive today. So it's lovely and sunny again, as you can see by my shiny side of the face. It's so beautiful and sunny that even though I very recently have chosen a track car for the perfect car, I think today is so gorgeous that it requires another track car. So that's the biggest clue. This car, it's got a 2-litre EcoBoost engine with 320 horsepower, which is a lot considering it weighs 650 kilos. 320 horsepower. It's got a fully enclosed body, but it's open top, just fully enclosed wheels. It produces a massive amount of downforce. It's 500 kilos of downforce in a track car, but it's not a radical, which is probably what most people were guessing. It is absolutely gorgeous in my opinion, absolutely incredible. It's got a Hewland 6-speed sequential gearbox, Alcon brakes, IBAC IBAC suspension, sorry. It's got pretty much everything you could ever want. I don't know how many of you are going to have actually heard of it, so I think I'll probably announce what it is. The perfect car to drive today is the Elemental RP1. Excellent. Yep, so the Elemental RP1 is, for me, probably my absolute favourite track car. Obviously, I'm sort of put FXX, things like that aside. A normal sort of price car, although saying that, it is still a 100,000 quid car. But I would have this car over pretty much all track cars. Any Caterhams, any Radicals, anything like that, Crossbow, I'd have this car, the Elemental RP1. When I went to Goodwood and saw it a couple of years ago, basically on their stand they had a copy of it with, well, a chassis with no body panels in it, and the engineering that goes into it is absolutely incredible. It's so gorgeous. Every part is perfectly welded. The way the suspension system works, the way that they've got outriggers from the body to hold certain parts in place, just everything is absolutely incredible. The engineering is amazing. If you haven't heard of this car, I strongly advise watching some videos about it or reading some articles about it. It is 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, 0 to 100 in just over 6. It's just amazing. Excellent, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.